Yeah.
Good evening. The Homemaker Jhudy.
Homemaker Jhudy, not the home. Right there. We're going to clip our kitty nails.
Okay. Yep.
Don't draw blood. Not too much.
Yoo-hoo.
Not too much. Not too much.
Right, baby? Mommy loves you. Whoop, don't do that. Just relax, take it easy. We love you. We love you, baby. We love you, baby. We love you. We love you. Take it easy. We love you. We love you. We love you. I love my little girl, little girl,
No,
little
you're too
girl.
loud. Your voice is. I'll talk to you. Okay. We may not want to put this one up.
One more, baby.
Okay.
Make it fast.
Not too much. Not too much in there.
Good.
Oh.
No, not too much. She just get mad.
It's okay.
What's going on? It's too short.
No, get it. It's okay.
Almost, baby. Almost.
Okay.
One more.
Oh,
Ding.
that's
That's
it.
it. Ding, 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 ding. Easy, guys, huh? That's our routine. Cutting our babies' toenails or fingernails. Okay, thank you. Don't forget, click like, comment, and subscribe. Again, Homemaker Jhudy. Good evening and thank you.